Good afternoon from Okinawa, Japan, home of OkiSubies. Today we got a fun video for you guys. Well, fun for me, my favorite engine, and we have the EZ30 R and we have the EZ30 D. The EZ30 D came in the BE year, and then the EZ30 Rs came within the BL year. I'm getting ready to build the engine, so I'm going to tear it down and send it out to Alpha Motorsports. But in the meantime, I got another EZ30 D. I want to compare the differences. So let's break them down and check it out. Alright, so we're back and we have everything dismantled on the table right here. Found a pretty good amount of differences, some pretty cool and interesting ones too. The blocks themselves, the oil pump was different. With the oil pump being different, the front housing's different, that front case different. Everything's different on the front side. If you look here, the pistons are a little bit more flat on the older ones versus the newer ones. The top portion right here of the EZ30 Rs is a little bit higher than the EZ30 Ds, which, I mean, how much of a difference that would make for reliability, I'm not sure. Either way, the pistons really isn't what the issue is with these cars, or these engines are. It's really more the rods, at least when you turbocharge them. And the rods look exactly the same. I don't see any difference at all with the rods. Crank, there's like some minor differences, but the cranks look the same also. Mechanics aspect of it, in that sense, rotation assembly, it all seems pretty much the same. Look at this side by side. EZ30R, this is the EZ30 D oil pump. So not only in diameter, but also in width too. So again, with the variable cam timing and all that good technology that the EZ30R has, having a bigger oil pump is expected. However, also the pickups, EZ30R, EZ30 D, and the pickup thing is way beefier, way thicker in every way, even the actual pickups on the portions, the bottom, everything. So pickup is a lot bigger in the newer engines too. The more obvious, the heads, as we saw, the manifolds can swap, so the intake ports are the same as much as we can, as far as we could tell. The exhaust ports, 3 versus just the 1 exit one. And then injectors too. Injectors, so this is the EZ30R. This is a very typical top feed injector. So I can't remember the size of these, but they're pretty small. When people are going turbocharged, you can put like pinks in there, like the little under 600cc injectors for the STIs. This is the EZ30 D. It's got like a weird little dual exit spray on the tips of them there. Yeah. I think the oil aspect of it is kind of the biggest thing. That's the biggest difference that we've found. I was hoping that I could use this block, but they're different. So yeah, if you need an EZ30 block, let us know. It's probably going to be gone by the time you watch it. But anyways, yeah, I think that's about it. If there's any other comparison videos that you guys want to check out, I know there's a couple of guys that wanted the EJ30 G versus 20Ks and some of the older GC8 platforms. We'll try to get to those, except for those ones are a little bit harder to just get and disassemble because those engines are getting so much more rare. So there's got to be something wrong for it to be disassembled. This one's getting built. This one is the one that was in our Gymkhana car, and we don't really have a purpose for it anymore, so we decided to dissect it. But I appreciate you guys watching. Hope it was helpful, especially for the EZ community. That's a wrap. Have a nice day.